The laughter of friends by a fireside, the sleepy yawns of the children who wait for Santa. Two of the warm sounds of Christmas. A long distance call from a loved one. Christmas carols with the folks down the street, jingling sleigh bells. Hear the warm sounds of Christmas.
Blazing logs and making candy in the kitchen.
Crinkling Christmas wrap behind closed doors. May the sounds of this season be warm sounds, and may this Yuletide be filled with good cheer. Keep listening for the warm sounds of Christmas. May the sounds of this season be warm sounds, and may this Yuletide be filled with good cheer. Keep listening for the warm sounds of Christmas.